Hi students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss some key benefits of cloud computing in healthcare industry. As we all know, cloud computing has some benefits that are on-demand availability of resources and internet-based services, high data availability, okay, all these are the advantages of cloud computing. All these advantages has transformed the entire healthcare domain and converted it into health tech, right? So here we have mainly 6 key benefits of cloud computing in healthcare industry. In this video, we will discuss all these 6 points in detail with the help of examples. So let's start with the first point, that is collaboration. As we all know, sharing facilitates collaboration, right? This is a basic term, that is sharing facilitates collaboration. With cloud computing, the process of data sharing has become a lot easier and simpler. As healthcare information is meant to stay confidential, as we all know, the data in the healthcare industry should be confidential. That is the key point for every healthcare industry. With the cloud computing, the data can be securely shared among the relevant healthcare stakeholders. Like we can confidentially share data between doctors, nurses, and other staff, right, in real time. So this is, all these points are taken under collaboration. Apart from sharing, they can also remotely access medical reports. With the help of cloud computing, we can access remotely medical reports from anywhere in this world. As we all know, this is the major benefit or key point in terms of cloud computing, is that we can access anything from anywhere in this world. Okay, so cloud has also facilitated remote conferencing. It also facilitates remote conferencing, quick updates on healthcare departments and patients' conditions also, which altogether make it a perfect companion for healthcare professional. So in case of healthcare, cloud computing works with a very high rate, right? So this is all about collaboration. Next point we have is security. We have discussed earlier, the data in the healthcare industry should be confidential. This is the responsibility of healthcare department people, that the data we transferred with the help of cloud computing should be secure. Always cloud computing provide us security in case of healthcare industry. So next point we have is cost. Here we all know cloud can hold an enormous amount of information with a very low cost, right? Cloud computing works on pay per use. We have discussed this in my previous video. Pay per use means that, for example, I am using any software for only 1 hour, for sure I will pay only for that much amount only, right? We can also say it as pay as you go. Cloud computing always follow this rule, right? And subscription model, which indicates that you only have to pay for those services which you have availing, right? So this is about cost. The next point we have is speed. As we all know, in today's world, speed is very important. And in case of cloud computing, healthcare include unmatched speed and faster access to information. It allows us the faster access to information. right, which can overcome the stumbling blocks which the industry stakeholders and patients are encountering, right? For example, if I want to share one file from one place to another place, then definitely speed is the major key point here. The next point we have is scalability. As we all know, healthcare organizations operate in a dynamic environment. Dynamic means changeable environments, right? As we all know, in case of healthcare, cloud computing provides us so many applications like electronic medical records, mobile applications, patient portals, devices with IoT. IoT means Internet of Things, and it also provides us facilities like big data, analytics, etc. All these facilities provided by cloud computing in case of healthcare are scalable and very flexible. Here flexibility means any type of user can use and access all these facilities very easily. So these are known as flexible, right? So this is all about some key benefits of cloud computing in healthcare industry. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.